Welcome to the course Basics of Ayurveda. Hi, my name is Preeti Sayal and I will be your instructor for this course. I am a registered holistic nutritionist, masters in foods and nutrition from the Lady Irwin College, Delhi University, and I am also a certified Ayurvedic Lifestyle consultant. I am delighted to guide you on this journey into the timeless wisdom of Ayurveda, where food, lifestyle, and self-awareness becomes the foundation of true well-being. This course is divided into 4 parts. In part 1, we'll cover the fundamentals of Ayurveda. We'll start with an introduction followed by the guiding principles of Ayurveda. Then we'll talk about the 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and the concept of Prakruti or individual constitution. Towards the end, you'll be given a dosha analysis quiz, which will help you get a fair idea of your individual Prakruti, that is your mind-body constitution. Part 2 explores how doshas are influenced by age, time of the day, seasonal changes, and the geographical location. In part 3, we'll study the disease process, including the 6 stages of disease, that is Vikruti or imbalance. And we'll also learn about the diagnostic tools like the tongue analysis and the stool analysis. And finally, in part 4, we'll dive into Ayurvedic dietetics, understanding the 6 tastes, the dietary principles of Ayurveda, and how various foods affect the doshas. According to Ayurveda, food is more than just nourishment. It is medicine. The 6 tastes, sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent, form the basis of Ayurvedic nutrition. Each taste has unique effects on the doshas, and learning how to balance them helps us create meals that support digestion, immunity, and our overall health. Ayurveda empowers us to take our health into our own hands. This course is your opportunity to understand your unique dosha, discover the intimate connection between digestion and immunity, and apply practical tools for lifelong vitality. So what are you waiting for? Give yourself the gift of knowledge and let's begin this transformative journey together. And if you are new to Ayurveda or holistic nutrition, please do visit our website myholistickitchen.com for various self-paced online courses in Ayurveda and holistic nutrition. Looking forward to connecting with you and helping you in your journey towards better health. Namaste.